Safety. Before flight, always check if all parts are in mint condition. Check if the wings are fully locked. Ensure that there are no foreign objects stuck in propeller motors, and if propellers and camera gimbal are securely fixed. Check the landing gear. Follow the instructions to calibrate the compass. Ensure that both intelligent flight battery and ground station battery are fully charged. You must always operate your aircraft in open areas that are free from people, vehicles, and other obstructions. Place the drone on a flat ground to prevent damage during the landing. Please make sure that a 2 to 5 meter radius area is clear from obstacles. Have a safe flight. Atlas Pro